Everyone's having the wrong conversation and asking the wrong questions about AI. Which tool should I use? Which model should I use? What should I do with it? Is it morally right or wrong? What are the implications of this? Where is it all going? Can't know for certain, but what we can see is that in the age of AI, 97% of the work that's done by humans will be done by AI and done better. It doesn't cut corners, it's not vague, it doesn't hedge, and it might replace you. What it will for sure do is reveal you. AI will not rescue you, it will show you who you are. It will show you what you're for. If you can look, if you can see. My new book, and I feel a moral obligation to put this message out, the 3% shift is reserved for the leaders who want to be the best they can be at being human and leave the rest to AI. Everything that can be automated will be automated. This is for the leaders who want to win in the age of AI, at the only game that matters, being the best humans we can be.